Today's teacher in the classroom is Tracey Stroup, ND. She's a naturopathic doctor who does telemedicine, and today we talked about The Mommy Apothecary. This is the book that she wrote, but also we talked about God's Pharmacy, and it's not PH, it's FARM, Pharmacy. The fact that God has equipped us with everything that we need so that our body will stay healthy as it possibly can. But what happens is that we give the body, if you were to give a car sand, the equivalent of putting sand in the gas tank, nobody would ever question, why is the car not starting? I put sand in it. Well, water doesn't go in it. It's gasoline, right? But when it comes to our body, we don't give it the same respect. We don't treat our body as a temple. We allow the terrorists into this temple, and then we wonder, why are we diseased? Why? And these are the things that are amazing to me. I do it too. It's like sometimes I say I eat well 90% of the time. When I'm in that 10%, don't mess with me. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy every morsel of it. And so, but there are times where we say, okay, I've reached that threshold when I cannot give myself these little vacations. And I'm going to stay true to my temple. I'm going to look at what God is telling me to do, and I am going to listen to the experts and do my own research. And then all of a sudden, that thought turns into a feeling. Oh, okay. That feeling turns into an action, like a thought, like I need to do something or I deserve to do something. And that feeling, that action turns into the thought turns into a feeling, and the feeling is, oh gosh, there's hope. I can do something different. And then that feeling turns into an action. I can do something or not do something. So we're in choice. And today we talked about the emergency kit, God's emergency kit that you can have in your kitchen or in your home. We didn't even talk about hydrogen peroxide. And so I want to encourage you to go to whenyounneedafriend.com to learn more about Dr. Stroup. All her information is in the blog, and that you can decide whether or not you would like to share this video with your friends and tell people that, garlic, what? Onion? She mentioned about putting onion on your feet with a pair of socks and how that helps with congestion. I'm going to try that next time. I've never done that. I do love garlic when I do have a sore throat. And that is what has helped me in the past. I don't take medications. I haven't taken an antibiotic in a long, 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 long time. And I've gotten sick. So I use as much natural as possible. And when that's not enough, then I will choose to do something a little stronger or a little different. But in everything, just know that God has made a a solution for you. And that's why I want to encourage you to mark your calendar on November 1st. I Am the Solution Natural Health Summit on November 1st in Florida. It's a Saturday and it's for cancer and autoimmune disease. So check it out. Go to my website at whenyounneedafriend.com. Make sure you subscribe to the website, like and follow me on all social media. Share this video. Let people know that there are things that you can do that are less invasive, do not have side effects, and it will prompt your body to reverse the dis-ease, the dysfunction, and go to ease. And so check it out and make sure that you make a comment, write a question, whatever it is. Email me at lily@whenyounneedafriend.com. Text me at 407-373-5959. Any of your questions, and I will forward them to Dr. Stroup. And remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!